What if I told you that the fountain of youth isn't hidden in some mythical spring, but growing right in gardens, forests, and farms around the world? Not expensive synthetic compounds, not pharmaceutical interventions. I'm talking about plants that have been reversing the effects of aging for thousands of years. Plants that science is now proving can actually turn back your biological clock at the cellular level. Most people don't know this, but while everyone's chasing the latest anti-aging cream or supplement fad, there are plants out there that literally reprogram your cells to behave younger. Plants with compounds so powerful that researchers are studying them as potential treatments for age-related diseases. Plants that can protect your DNA, activate longevity genes, and rebuild the very structures that keep you young. And today, I'm going to show you 20 of them that will change the way you think about aging forever. Stick around, because number 8 on this list is so powerful that NASA studied it for space missions. And it's something you probably walked past in a grocery store this week. And number 18 is so potent at reversing cellular aging that scientists found it could extend lifespan in laboratory studies by up to 30%. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because we post new videos every week. So let's get into it. Here are 20 plants that reverse aging, ranked from impressive to absolutely incredible. Number 1, green tea, the ancient elixir of youth. Let's start with green tea, the beverage that's been keeping Asian populations looking decades younger for over 4,000 years. And science is finally catching up to what traditional cultures always knew. Camellia sinensis, the green tea plant, contains compounds called catechins, particularly EGCG, that are absolute cellular powerhouses. These antioxidants don't just protect your cells from damage. They actively hunt down and neutralize free radicals before they can attack your DNA, proteins, and cellular membranes. Here's what makes green tea special from an anti-aging perspective. The polyphenols in green tea own antioxidant defense systems. They trigger genes that produce enzymes like superoxide, dismutase, and catalase, your body's natural anti-aging machinery. You're essentially turning on your cellular fountain of youth with every cup. Studies show that people who drink green tea regularly have longer telomeres. Those are the protective caps on your chromosomes that shorten as you age. Longer telomeres mean younger biological age, regardless of how many birthdays you've celebrated. Modern research has shown green tea's effects on skin aging are remarkable. From reducing UV damage to improving skin elasticity to actually reversing sun damage at the cellular level, green tea is working on multiple fronts. It's not just preventing aging, it's actively reversing it. The reason green tea is such a longevity goldmine is simple: multi-targeted action, thousands of years of safe use, and benefits that show up in everything from your skin to your brain to your cardiovascular system. While most people are drinking it casually, the compounds inside are literally reprogramming your cells to behave younger. Think of it as the beverage that's been hiding anti-aging secrets in plain sight for millennia, just waiting for science to prove what tradition always knew. Turmeric, the golden root of immortality. Turmeric might be the most powerful anti-aging plant on Earth, and it's been sitting in spice cabinets completely underappreciated for its true potential. This golden root contains curcumin, a compound so powerful that it's the subject of over 15,000 scientific studies. Curcuma longa doesn't just fight aging through one mechanism. It attacks it from every angle imaginable: inflammation, oxidation, protein misfolding, cellular senescence. Curcumin addresses all of them simultaneously. Here's what makes turmeric extraordinary. Chronic inflammation is called inflammaging by scientists, one of the primary drivers of aging. Curcumin is one of nature's most potent anti-inflammatory compounds, rivaling pharmaceutical drugs without the side effects. But it goes deeper. Curcumin activates longevity genes like SIRT1, the same genes activated by caloric restriction and resveratrol. It protects your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, from age-related decline. It even helps clear out senescent cells, those zombie cells that accumulate with age and poison surrounding tissues. The research on turmeric and brain aging is particularly compelling. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier and has shown potential to reduce the plaques associated with cognitive decline. In populations that consume turmeric regularly, rates of age-related cognitive issues are significantly lower. Modern science has revealed that curcumin can influence over 700 genes and modulate hundreds of cellular signaling pathways. That's not a supplement. That's a complete cellular reprogramming system. Turmeric got overlooked in Western medicine simply because it's been categorized as a spice. But this golden root is proving that sometimes the most powerful medicines have been in our kitchens all along. It's the plant that teaches us that anti-aging isn't about exotic compounds. It's about recognizing the power of what's been used for 4,000 years. Number 3, ginseng, the adaptogen that defies time. Ginseng is the herb that emperors hoarded and that modern science is validating as a genuine anti-aging powerhouse. Panax ginseng has been revered in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years, and the research explaining why is absolutely fascinating. Ginseng contains compounds called ginsenosides that act as adaptogens, helping your body maintain youthful function under stress. But here's what makes it remarkable for aging. These compounds actually improve mitochondrial function, the energy production systems that decline as we age. Studies show that ginseng can improve physical stamina, mental clarity, and immune function in older adults. But the mechanisms go deeper. Ginseng helps regulate cortisol, the stress hormone that accelerates aging when chronically elevated. It supports healthy insulin sensitivity, which tends to decline with age. It even protects against oxidative damage to DNA. The anti-aging effects of ginseng show up in skin studies too. Ginsenosides have been shown to stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Korean red ginseng, in particular, has demonstrated the ability to reduce wrinkles and improve skin hydration in clinical trials. Here's the business of longevity angle. Ginseng doesn't just make you feel younger, it makes your cells function younger. From improved cellular energy production to better stress adaptation to enhanced repair mechanisms, ginseng is working at the fundamental level of aging. Traditional medicine called ginseng the root of immortality, and while that's poetic, modern research suggests it's not entirely metaphorical. This is cellular rejuvenation in plant form. Number 4, Ginkgo biloba, the living fossil that keeps you young. Ginkgo biloba is one of the oldest living tree species on Earth, surviving for over 270 million. And now science is discovering that this ancient survivor might hold secrets to human longevity. This remarkable tree contains flavonoids and terpenoids that specifically target age-related decline in circulation and cognitive function. The leaves improve blood flow to the brain and extremities, counteracting the reduced circulation that comes with aging. Here's what makes ginkgo special for anti-aging. As we age, blood flow to the brain decreases, contributing to cognitive decline. Ginkgo reverses this by improving microcirculation and protecting blood vessels from oxidative damage. Studies show improvements in memory, processing speed, and mental clarity in older adults. But ginkgo's effects extend beyond the brain. The antioxidants in ginkgo protect cells throughout the body from free radical damage. They support healthy vision by improving blood flow to the eyes. They even protect skin cells from UV damage and pollution. The research on ginkgo and longevity is compelling. In studies on cellular aging, ginkgo extracts have demonstrated the ability to protect telomeres and reduce cellular senescence markers. That's not just symptom management. That's addressing aging at its root. Modern science has validated what traditional herbalists knew. This tree has survived mass extinctions and ice ages, and the compounds that helped it survive might help us do the same on a cellular level. Ginkgo biloba proves that sometimes the oldest living things on Earth know something about longevity that we're just beginning to understand. Number 5, aloe vera, the desert plant that hydrates time. Aloe vera has been called the plant of immortality since ancient Egypt, and modern research is showing that Cleopatra might have been onto something profound about this succulent's anti-aging properties. Aloe barbadensis contains over 75 active compounds, including vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids, and polysaccharides that work together to reverse visible signs of aging. But here's what's remarkable. Aloe doesn't just work on the surface. It penetrates deep into skin layers and influences cellular behavior. Studies show that aloe vera stimulates fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen and elastin. As we age, fibroblast activity declines, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. Aloe reactivates these cells, literally telling your skin to behave younger. The polysaccharides in aloe, particularly essamanin, have demonstrated the ability to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles in clinical trials. But the effects go deeper. Aloe supports the skin's moisture barrier, helps repair UV damage, and accelerates wound healing, all of which decline with age. Here's what makes aloe a longevity powerhouse. The plant thrives in harsh desert conditions by holding water and protecting itself from intense UV radiation. Those same protective mechanisms, when applied to human cells, provide anti-aging benefits. Internal use of aloe has shown benefits too, from supporting digestive health to regulating blood sugar to providing antioxidant protection throughout the body. The ancient wisdom of using aloe both internally and externally for longevity is being validated by modern science. Aloe vera teaches us that plants that survive extreme conditions often contain the exact compounds humans need to survive the extreme condition called aging. Number 6. Pomegranate, the fruit of eternal youth. Pomegranate has been a symbol of immortality across cultures for thousands of years, and it turns out those ancient civilizations were onto something scientifically profound. Punica granatum contains compounds that might actually reverse cellular aging. The secret lies in compounds called elegitannins, which your gut bacteria convert into urolithin A. This metabolite has shown the remarkable ability to trigger mitophagy, the process by which cells clean out old, dysfunctional mitochondria and generate new ones. Here's why this matters. Mitochondrial dysfunction is one of the hallmarks of aging. As mitochondria deteriorate, cells produce less energy and more damaging free radicals. Pomegranate essentially reboots your cellular power plants. Studies in humans have shown that pomegranate consumption improves muscle strength, exercise capacity, and biomarkers of mitochondrial health in older adults. That's not just feeling better. That's biological age reversal at the cellular level. The polyphenols in pomegranate also protect your cardiovascular system from aging. They improve arterial flexibility, reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels, and support healthy blood pressure. Your cardiovascular system ages faster than almost any other system, and pomegranate targets it specifically. Skin studies show pomegranate extracts protect against UV damage, stimulate collagen production, and improve skin thickness and hydration. The fruit is attacking aging from the inside out. Modern research has revealed that regular pomegranate consumption is associated with longer telomeres and reduced markers of cellular senescence. Ancient cultures revered this fruit, and science is proving they were absolutely right to do so. Number 7. Blueberries, the small berry with massive longevity. Power blueberries might be small, but their anti-aging impact is enormous. These tiny berries contain some of the highest levels of antioxidants of any food, and the research on their longevity benefits is extraordinary. Vaccinium species are packed with anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color. These polyphenols cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate in brain regions responsible for memory and learning, actively protecting against age-related cognitive decline. Here's what makes blueberries remarkable for aging. Studies show that regular blueberry consumption can slow and even reverse age-related decline in memory and motor function. In animal studies, blueberries have extended lifespan by up to 28%. That's not trivial. That's profound. The mechanisms are fascinating. Blueberry compounds activate autophagy, your cell's self-cleaning system that declines with age. They reduce inflammation in the brain and throughout the body. They protect against DNA damage and help maintain telomere length. Cardiovascular benefits are equally impressive. Blueberries improve arterial function, reduce blood pressure, and protect against oxidative damage to blood vessels. The flavonoids in blueberries have been shown to reduce heart disease risk significantly in long-term studies. The beauty of blueberries is accessibility. These aren't exotic compounds requiring extraction and processing. You can eat them fresh, frozen, or as powder, and get profound anti-aging benefits. Blueberries prove that some of the most powerful anti-aging interventions come in the smallest, most delicious packages. This is cellular rejuvenation you can enjoy with a spoon. Number 8. Peppermint, the refreshing herb that reverses cellular aging. Here's something wild. That herb you've been using to freshen your breath is actually reversing aging at the stem cell level. Mentha piperita contains compounds so powerful that researchers are studying it as a potential treatment for cellular senescence. Recent studies have shown that peppermint extracts can influence cellular markers of aging in stem cells. Stem cells are your body's repair system, but they age too, becoming less effective at regenerating tissues. Peppermint compounds help maintain stem cell function. The mechanisms are fascinating. Peppermint contains rosmarinic acid and other polyphenols that protect cells from oxidative stress and activate longevity pathways. These compounds have demonstrated the ability to reduce senescence markers in laboratory studies, but peppermint's anti-aging effects extend beyond the cellular level. The menthol and other compounds improve circulation, support digestive health, and have anti-inflammatory properties throughout the body. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery and waste removal, fundamental to staying young. The antioxidant capacity of peppermint rivals much more celebrated herbs. Studies show it protects against DNA damage, supports liver function, and may even have neuroprotective effects. This common herb is working on multiple aging pathways simultaneously. NASA's interest in peppermint for space missions wasn't just about fresh breath. They were studying its potential to support health during long space voyages, where accelerated aging occurred. When NASA takes interest, you know something profound is happening. Peppermint teaches us that sometimes the most common plants have the most uncommon benefits. It's cellular rejuvenation hiding in your tea cabinet. Number 9. Thyme, the herb that fights cellular senescence. Thyme, particularly Shirazi thyme, is emerging as one of the most potent anti-senescence herbs in scientific research. Thymus vulgaris contains compounds that literally target zombie cells, those senescent cells that accumulate with age and accelerate aging. Senescent cells stop dividing, but don't die. Instead, they secrete inflammatory compounds that damage surrounding healthy cells, creating a cascade of aging. Thyme compounds have demonstrated the remarkable ability to reduce these senescent cells in laboratory studies. The active compounds in thyme, including thymol, carvacrol, and rosmarinic acid, work together to combat aging through multiple mechanisms. They reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative damage, and support mitochondrial function. Research on Shirazi thyme specifically has shown anti-senescence activity in cells, suggesting it might help clear out those aging zombie cells, or prevent healthy cells from becoming senescent in the first place. This is cutting-edge anti-aging science from a common kitchen herb. Beyond cellular effects, thyme has demonstrated antimicrobial and immune-supporting properties that become increasingly important as immune function declines with age. The herb supports healthy aging of the immune system itself. Thyme's benefits for skin aging are notable too. The antioxidants protect against environmental damage, while the antimicrobial properties help maintain healthy skin. Traditional use of thyme for preservation extends to preserving youth. This humble herb proves that anti-aging powerhouses aren't always exotic. Sometimes they're growing in your garden or sitting in your spice rack, waiting for science to reveal their secrets. Number 10. Ashwagandha, the Ayurvedic longevity legend. Ashwagandha is one of the most revered herbs in Ayurvedic medicine for longevity, and modern science is validating why this adaptogen deserves its reputation as a youth-preserving powerhouse. Withania somnifera contains withanolides, compounds that address multiple hallmarks of aging simultaneously: stress reduction, hormone balance, brain health, cellular protection. Ashwagandha targets them all. Here's why this matters for aging. Chronic stress accelerates aging through multiple pathways, from telomere shortening to immune dysfunction to hormonal imbalance. Ashwagandha's adaptogenic properties help normalize stress response, literally slowing stress-induced aging. Studies show ashwagandha reduces cortisol levels, improves stress resilience, and enhances quality of life in older adults. But the anti-aging effects go deeper. Research demonstrates improvements in muscle strength, endurance, and testosterone levels in aging men. For women, it supports thyroid function and hormonal balance during aging transitions. The neuroprotective effects are particularly compelling. Ashwagandha supports brain health by reducing oxidative stress, supporting neurotransmitter function, and promoting nerve growth factor. Studies show improvements in memory, reaction time, and cognitive function. For skin aging, ashwagandha stimulates DHEA, a hormone that declines with age and influences skin vitality. It also contains compounds that protect against oxidative damage and support collagen production. Ashwagandha represents the wisdom of using adaptogens for longevity. Instead of targeting one aspect of aging, it helps your entire system maintain youthful function. It's the herb that teaches aging bodies to remember how to be young. Number 11. Amla, the Indian gooseberry of youth. Amla is one of the most revered fruits in Ayurvedic medicine for longevity, and the science explaining its anti-aging power is extraordinary. Emblica officinalis contains more vitamin C than almost any other plant source, plus a unique combination of polyphenols that work synergistically. The vitamin C content alone would make Amla valuable for anti-aging. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, the protein that keeps skin firm and youthful. But Amla's polyphenols protect this vitamin C from oxidation, making it far more bioavailable than synthetic supplements. Here's what makes Amla special. The combination of vitamin C and polyphenols creates a powerful antioxidant system that protects cells throughout the body. Studies show Amla reduces oxidative stress, protects DNA from damage, and supports telomere length. The effects on skin aging are remarkable. Amla stimulates collagen and elastin production, reduces hyperpigmentation, and protects against UV damage. Traditional use of Amla for hair health is being validated too, with studies showing it supports healthy hair growth and reduces graying. Internal benefits are equally impressive. Amla supports healthy blood sugar metabolism, protects the liver, enhances immune function, and supports cardiovascular health. These are all systems that decline with aging, and Amla addresses them comprehensively. Research shows regular Amla consumption improves markers of cellular aging and supports healthy inflammatory response. In traditional medicine, Amla is considered a rasayana, a substance that promotes longevity and vitality. Modern science is proving that ancient classification correct. Number 12. Shatavari, the female fountain of youth. Shatavari holds a special place in Ayurvedic medicine as the premier rejuvenating herb for women, but its anti-aging benefits extend to everyone. Asparagus racemosus contains compounds that address hormonal aging, tissue hydration, and cellular protection. The name Shatavari translates to "she who possesses 100 husbands," referring to its traditional use for maintaining vitality and youthfulness. Modern research is revealing the mechanisms behind these traditional claims. Shatavari contains phytoestrogens and saponins that help balance hormones as they naturally shift with aging. For women, this means supporting graceful transition through hormonal changes while maintaining vitality. The herb has demonstrated the ability to reduce hot flashes, support mood balance, and maintain healthy libido. The tissue hydration properties are fascinating. Shatavari is considered a moistening herb in Ayurveda, and studies show it supports mucous membrane health throughout the body. This includes skin hydration, which naturally decreases with age. Antioxidant and immune-supporting properties add another dimension to Shatavari's anti-aging profile. The herb protects against oxidative stress while supporting healthy immune function, both crucial for healthy aging. Research on Shatavari's adaptogenic properties shows it helps the body cope with various stressors that accelerate aging. From environmental stress to emotional stress to the oxidative stress of aging itself, Shatavari provides cellular protection. This herb teaches us that honoring the specific ways different bodies age and providing targeted support is part of comprehensive longevity strategy. Number 13. Licorice, the sweet root of longevity. Licorice root has been used in traditional medicine systems worldwide for thousands of years, and its anti-aging properties are being validated by modern research. Glycyrrhiza glabra contains compounds that fight inflammation and oxidation, two primary drivers of aging. The active compound glycyrrhizin and its metabolites have demonstrated remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation accelerates every aspect of aging, from skin to brain to cardiovascular system. Licorice targets this fundamental aging process. Antioxidant compounds in licorice protect cells from free radical damage while supporting the body's own antioxidant defense systems. Studies show licorice extracts can increase levels of glutathione, one of your body's most important internal antioxidants. For skin aging specifically, licorice has become a star ingredient in anti-aging formulations. It reduces hyperpigmentation, soothes inflammation, and protects against UV damage. The compound glabridin in licorice has been shown to inhibit melanin production, helping reverse age spots and uneven skin tone. Traditional use of licorice for supporting adrenal function is particularly relevant to aging. The adrenal glands help manage stress response, and their function declines with age. Licorice compounds support healthy cortisol metabolism. The herb also demonstrates gastroprotective properties and supports healthy digestion, important as digestive function tends to decline with aging. Better digestion means better nutrient absorption, fundamental to maintaining health. Licorice proves that plants used across multiple traditional medicine systems deserve attention. When different cultures independently discover the same benefits, modern science usually confirms they were right. Number 14. Evening primrose, the oil that reverses skin, aging, evening. Primrose oil has emerged as one of the most effective plant-based interventions for skin aging. Oenothera biennis seeds contain gamma-linolenic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid that most people are deficient in, and that's crucial for maintaining youthful skin. GLA is a precursor to anti-inflammatory compounds in the body and plays a crucial role in maintaining the skin's barrier function. As we age, our ability to produce GLA declines, contributing to dry, thin skin and increased wrinkles. Evening primrose supplementation reverses this. Studies show that evening primrose oil improves skin elasticity, moisture, firmness, and reduces roughness. These aren't subtle effects. Clinical trials show visible improvements in aging skin within weeks of supplementation. The mechanisms extend beyond just the skin barrier. GLA from evening primrose has anti-inflammatory effects throughout the body, supporting joint health, hormonal balance, and cardiovascular function, all of which decline with age. For hormonal aging in particular, evening primrose has shown benefits for reducing symptoms associated with hormonal transition. The GLA supports healthy prostaglandin production, which influences hormone balance and inflammatory response. Brain health benefits are emerging too. The essential fatty acids in evening primrose support healthy brain function and may protect against age-related cognitive decline. Your brain is largely fat, and providing the right fats is crucial for maintaining its youthful function. Evening primrose teaches us that sometimes addressing deficiencies is the most powerful anti-aging intervention. This oil provides what aging bodies are lacking. Number 15. Flaxseed, the tiny seed, with massive longevity. Flaxseed might be small, but its anti-aging impact is substantial. Linum usitatissimum contains a unique combination of omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber that addresses multiple aspects of aging simultaneously. The lignans in flaxseed are particularly interesting for anti-aging. These phytoestrogens have antioxidant properties and help balance hormones as they shift with aging. Studies show lignans protect against oxidative damage and may reduce risk of age-related diseases. Alpha-linolenic acid, the omega-3 in flaxseed, reduces inflammation throughout the body. Since chronic inflammation drives aging, regular flaxseed consumption literally slows the aging process. Studies show improvements in cardiovascular health, joint function, and skin quality. The fiber content supports healthy gut function and microbiome diversity, increasingly recognized as crucial for healthy aging. The gut microbiome changes with age, often becoming less diverse. Flaxseed fiber supports beneficial bacteria. Research on flaxseed and longevity markers is compelling. Studies show it helps maintain healthy telomere length, reduces markers of cellular aging, and supports cardiovascular health. In animal studies, flaxseed has extended lifespan. For skin aging, the combination of omega-3s and lignans improves hydration, sensitivity, and protects against UV damage. The anti-inflammatory effects show up visibly in reduced redness and improved skin tone. Flaxseed proves that comprehensive anti-aging doesn't require exotic ingredients. Sometimes the most powerful interventions are simple, whole foods used consistently. Number 16. Olive leaf and oil, the Mediterranean secret to longevity. The Mediterranean diet is famous for promoting longevity, and olive products are a key reason why. Olea europaea contains polyphenols that target multiple aging pathways with remarkable effectiveness. Oleuropein the primary polyphenol in olive leaf, has demonstrated extraordinary antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies on populations consuming high amounts of olive oil show significantly lower rates of age-related diseases and longer lifespans. It protects cells from oxidative damage, reduces chronic inflammation, and supports healthy gene expression. The mechanisms are becoming clear. Olive polyphenols activate longevity genes, protect mitochondria, and reduce cellular senescence. For cardiovascular aging specifically, olive products are extraordinary. They improve arterial flexibility, reduce blood pressure, protect against cholesterol oxidation, and support healthy endothelial function. Your cardiovascular system ages faster than almost anything else, and olive combats this directly. Brain health benefits are equally impressive. Olive polyphenols cross the blood-brain barrier and protect neurons from age-related damage. Studies show associations between olive oil consumption and reduced risk of cognitive decline. Skin benefits include protection from UV damage, improved hydration, and reduced inflammation. The antioxidants in olive oil have been shown to reduce markers of skin aging in both topical and internal use. The Mediterranean diet's longevity effects can't be attributed to one food, but olive products are clearly central. This is anti-aging validated by entire populations living longer, healthier lives. Number 17. Soy and isoflavones, the phytoestrogen fountain of youth. Soy has been controversial in recent years, but the science on its anti-aging benefits, particularly for women, is compelling. Glycine max contains isoflavones that act as gentle phytoestrogens, supporting healthy aging as natural hormone levels decline. The isoflavones genistein and didzine have demonstrated remarkable effects on skin aging. Studies show they stimulate collagen production, improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and protect against UV damage. These aren't minor improvements. Clinical trials show visible anti-aging effects. The mechanisms relate to hormonal aging. As estrogen declines with age, skin loses thickness, hydration, and collagen. Soy isoflavones partially compensate for this decline, telling skin cells to maintain more youthful function. Beyond skin, soy isoflavones support bone health during aging, cardiovascular function, and may have neuroprotective effects. Populations consuming traditional soy foods show lower rates of many age-related conditions. The protein content of soy also matters for aging. Maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly difficult with age, and high-quality plant protein from soy supports this crucial aspect of healthy aging. Research shows soy consumption is associated with longer telomeres and reduced markers of cellular aging. The combination of protein, isoflavones, and other compounds creates a comprehensive anti-aging package. Soy teaches us that plant compounds that gently modulate hormone function can support graceful aging as our natural hormones shift. This is working with your body's changes, not against them. Number 18. Kudzu, the Asian vine that turns back time. Kudzu might be considered an invasive pest in the United States, but in Asia, Pueraria montana is revered for its anti-aging and health-promoting properties. The root contains powerful isoflavones and antioxidants that science is validating as genuine longevity compound. Puerarin, the primary isoflavone in kudzu, has demonstrated remarkable effects on cardiovascular aging. It improves circulation, protects blood vessels from oxidative damage, and supports healthy blood pressure. In studies, kudzu extracts have shown the ability to reverse some markers of vascular aging. Traditional use in both Chinese and Japanese medicine includes skin, health, and beauty, and modern research confirms why. Kudzu isoflavones stimulate collagen production, improve skin elasticity, and protect against UV-induced aging. The antioxidant capacity rivals much more celebrated plant. For brain health, kudzu shows promise too. Studies suggest neuroprotective effects and improvements in cerebral blood flow, important as circulation to the brain naturally decreases with aging. The estrogenic effects of kudzu isoflavones support healthy aging in women, similar to soy, but with a different isoflavone profile. This includes benefits for bone health, skin quality, and hormonal balance during aging transition. What's fascinating is that kudzu has been used traditionally for alcohol metabolism support, and modern research shows this too. The compounds help protect the liver and support healthy detoxification, increasingly important as detoxification systems decline with age. Kudzu teaches us that sometimes the plants we overlook or even consider problems contain profound gifts. This invasive vine might help us invade the territory of aging itself. Number 19. Dark leafy greens, the daily anti-aging powerhouse. If there's one dietary pattern consistently associated with longevity across every population studied, it's consumption of dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and their relatives contain a combination of nutrients that literally program your cells for longevity. These vegetables are extraordinarily high in vitamins K, A, C, and folate, plus minerals like magnesium and iron. But it's the combination of these nutrients with thousands of phytonutrients that creates anti-aging magic. Lutein and zeaxanthin in leafy greens protect your eyes from age-related decline. Studies show people consuming the most leafy greens have significantly lower rates of vision problems associated with aging. The vitamin K content supports both bone health and cardiovascular health, two systems that decline rapidly with age. Adequate vitamin K is associated with better bone density and reduced arterial calcification. Nitrates in leafy greens convert to nitric oxide, which improves circulation and supports cardiovascular health. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery and waste removal throughout the body, fundamental to staying young. The folate content supports DNA methylation, crucial for healthy gene expression. Studies show people with adequate folate have longer telomeres and better cellular aging markers. Here's what's remarkable. Studies on longevity consistently show that people who eat leafy greens daily have biological ages years younger than their chronological ages. This isn't subtle. This is measurable life extension. Dark leafy greens prove that anti-aging doesn't require exotic interventions. The most powerful longevity foods are often the simplest, most accessible ones we've been told to eat our whole lives. Number 20. Red bell peppers and colorful vegetables, the rainbow of youth. And here we are at number 20, the plant category that represents the culmination of everything we've learned. Red bell peppers and their colorful vegetable relatives contain some of the highest concentrations of anti-aging compounds in the plant kingdom. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C than oranges, plus exceptional levels of carotenoids like beta-carotene, lycopene, and zeaxanthin. These compounds don't just prevent aging, they actively reverse cellular damage. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, and the levels in red peppers stimulate your skin to produce more of this youth-preserving protein. Studies show regular consumption improves skin texture, reduces wrinkles, and protects against UV damage. The carotenoids provide cellular protection that shows up throughout the body. They protect your eyes from age-related degeneration, support cardiovascular health, protect skin from sun damage, and even support immune function. What makes colorful vegetables special is synergy. The combination of vitamin C, carotenoids, flavonoids, and other compounds works together to create anti-aging effects greater than any single compound. This is whole food synergy at its finest. Studies on dietary patterns consistently show that people consuming the most colorful vegetables have the lowest rates of age-related diseases and the longest lifespan. The rainbow on your plate literally translates to more years of healthy life. The beauty of red peppers and colorful vegetables is accessibility. These aren't rare herbs requiring special sources. They're in every grocery store, affordable, delicious, and providing profound anti-aging benefits with every bite. This final entry teaches us that the fountain of youth isn't hidden. It's been sitting in the produce section all along, waiting for us to recognize that the most powerful anti-aging interventions often come in the most colorful, delicious packages. If you made it this far, you now know something that most people spend thousands of dollars and never discover. The most powerful anti-aging interventions aren't pharmaceutical compounds or expensive treatments. They're plants that have been reversing aging for thousands of years, validated by both traditional use and cutting-edge science. These 20 plants represent a fundamental shift in how we can think about aging. Instead of accepting decline as inevitable, we can actively program our cells for youth through the compounds these plants provide. From activating longevity genes, to protecting telomeres, to clearing senescent cells, to supporting every system in your body, these plants offer comprehensive rejuvenation. The beauty of these interventions is accessibility. You don't need expensive treatments or prescriptions. Many of these plants can be consumed as foods, grown in your garden, or taken as simple supplements. You don't need to wait for future technology. The fountain of youth is available now. What you need is knowledge, which you now have, and the commitment to actually use it. That's the secret to reversing aging in the modern world. These plants got recognized by traditional medicine systems thousands of years ago, not through random chance, but because they genuinely work. Modern science is simply confirming what traditional wisdom always knew. They reward consistency over quick fixes. They provide comprehensive benefits rather than targeting single symptoms, and that's exactly what makes them perfect for anyone ready to take control of their biological age. If you enjoyed this deep dive into plants that reverse aging, and you're ready to start thinking differently about longevity, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and tell me which plant you're most excited to incorporate into your routine. Are you team adaptogens, team antioxidants, or team whole foods? I read every comment, and I love hearing from you. And if you haven't subscribed to Homestead Roots, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. We're building a community of people who understand that aging isn't an inevitable decline. It's a process we can influence, slow, and even reverse through the wisdom of plants. And I'd love to have you as part of this journey toward genuine, lasting youth.